The metals industry in Kentucky is strong because we have a great business environment. We have great government partners. We have great universities. We have a great talent base to pull from.
We're flexible because we're growing, we're expanding, and we're working together to do it.
The more metals industry comes here and the more innovation, more research, and more universities focus on metals, we all benefit. So the competition is together competing with the other regions rather than competing with each other in the region. That's where our strength is.
Collectively, we have a big footprint across Kentucky. We have a strong economic impact. We have a lot of families that are supported by the jobs that we create.
Between copper, steel, and of course aluminum, Kentucky metals are in products we use every day.
We've kind of flown under the radars in the metals industry, and what you'll find here is, wow, you have aluminum, you have copper, you have steel, you have all these companies that are based here with so much to offer. It's not just a horse racing state. It's not just a bourbon state. This is a metals state with a lot of opportunity.